So, today I will talk about my invention. Currently I'm working on. It is called Escape Engine. And first of all, I would like to introduce myself. Where is the mouse? Here it is. So, my name is Anton Nefjodov. I am, some people know me as Crazy Flasher. I was born on the 2nd of June. I'm 30 years old. I live here in Tallinn. I'm a software engineer with more than 10 years official experience. However, I've started making games already at school in latest 19th. So I've been working as client developer, team leader, scrum master, project architecture. I have also open source projects, some framework. If you're interested, you can come up after presentation. I'm co-founder of local company Javelin that was created in 2010. The main products of Javelin were real-time multiplayer games for social networks, especially shooters and other. Almost a year ago, I started my new project, Escape Engine, which I will tell you about today. Unfortunately, I have only 30 minutes today, so I'll try to make it as brief as possible. If you want to have more detailed, especially technical information, you can find me after this presentation in Game Village. Today it is dead, so it would be very easy to find me there. Okay. And also in Game Village, there is one project that is created using my Escape Engine, Abandoned Mine. Right after me, Sergey will tell about it, I hope. Okay, let's continue. So, how the idea of Escape Engine was born? We had some tough times in Javelin. After several projects failed, we decided to try ourselves on mobile market. It was absolutely new for us, and the genre of the game, Room Escape, was absolutely new for us. I don't know why we decided, because just decided. We decided to create and release as fast as possible. The game Spotlight Room Escape, I will show you later some small preview. It was like some sort of finalized prototype created with Unity. It didn't have ads, payments, or other stuff. We just wanted to see if people like it, whether it brings some organic users or not. Luckily for us, users liked it, and we continued to add features and content to this prototype. And one day, Spotlight became heavy, dirty, buggy, because there were no automation test systems, and there were no common part. Also, it was very painful to build it for other platforms. Even Unity is cross-platform. It was very painful, for example, to build it for iOS. When we realized that, we decided to create a clean port of the game with a flexible project, automation build and test systems, in-game console for testing, and other stuff related to mature enterprise project. So the game became itself something like engine configuration. After that, we decided, just a second. After that, we decided why not to create an open platform to cooperate with other teams that have good game design and drawing skills, but do not have possibilities to find or hire IT developers. What are the aims of Escape Engine? So, the main aim is to speed up game development process. Completely split technical part from art creation and game design. Have low-level control of technical part. For example, if I use Unity, I have very high-level framework. If something is broken inside Unity, I need to report bug and wait until they fix it in new version. In Escape Engine, I have control of everything. Build games for platforms in one click. So you just your CI you will commit changes, for example, and your CI will build for Android, iOS. Currently, we do not support Windows Mobile, and I don't know if we will support it. Is there a reason to support it? Reduce game size. So the game became itself much lighter. Old devices supported quite nice, even with Android 2.3 operation system. And automate testing process and make functional testing process more comfortable, useful, and fun. So we have in-game console, you can manually enter some commands. And also we have IE bot that is playing through the level and tells us whether level can be completed or not logically. What is the aim of this presentation? The aim of this, first of all, I would like to ask the audience, who is who? Are there any artists? Can you raise your hands, artists? Okay, and what about game designers? Okay, and programmers, IT, technical guys? And who are the people who didn't raise their hand? Okay, nice, everybody is here. So we are searching for motivated people, small teams with design and game design skills to create 2D room escape genre games powered by our engine. We offer partnership and technical implementation is completely on our side, and game design and graphics on yours. We have affiliate program. For example, we publish your game, and if it brings money, we split revenue 50-50 of clean revenue. Intellectual property rights of art, game design, sounds, and all other content remains yours, absolutely. We don't need it. If you are interested to create your own superb hit and earn money with it fast, but have problems with technical part and traffic users, we would be glad to help. We provide users for newly published games using cross-promotion banners in Escape Factory games. For example, we release your game, other game of Escape Factory will have banner that will provide users to the new game. I will tell a little bit about developing process. Of course, it can be different, depends on team and everything. So just some example. Once we decided to cooperate, we meet or using Skype, discuss details. We will be happy to help you with consultations and advices during art preparation and game design process if you want. We provide documentation and manual about assets preparation, engine features and limitations. After that, you invent your first level. Of course, you'll have questions during the first level creation process, and we'll be happy to help you. When level is drawn and logic is designed, you'll send assets according to rules described in documentations. After that, we create project and build a game. When the game is ready, we send development build to you to play and click, and a little bit later I'll show you how it looks like. Then publishing process is just an example. When all enhancements are done, we publish beta version to Google Play with one level and monetization. Monetization is banner, interstitial ads, rewarded video ads, and in-game purchases. The game will be published under Escape Factory brand, but may have, I think it should have your team logo and links to your team, to your studio, or I don't know. After some time, game in beta, we implement extra fixes, enhancements. We promote game to production when we are sure it is ready to go. After that, we enable cross-promotion and give installs. We analyze reviews, statistics, and make fixes according to them. Team will have complete access to all statistics, payments, users, installs, and other stuff. We publish game to iOS only when there are at least 3 levels already, because we want to put game to iOS with more content. As I already told, I won't speak today about the technical part because I need many time to describe this. But if you're interested, you can find me, and I will tell you. And let's move on to the project. So this was the first game created in Unity. Currently, we already almost ported it to this our new engine. I will show a small video of it. You may find it in Google Play or in App Store and Play. No sound, but that's no problem. Nice assets, I like it. That there is no need. It's almost, sure. Yeah. Okay. The next project that was in Game Village yesterday and today also, we created it with a team. Sergey Dragunov is here. He will be after me. So this game was built with other team using our engine. It is on Google Play, only with one level. Second level will be ready soon, I hope. So just a small video of gameplay I found on YouTube. It has completely different assets. So previous game was created in 3D with renders, and this is completely 2D game. Nice assets, absolutely different style, and so on. Next projects are still in development phase. The Hangover, this is a development name. I think it will change. The Boiler, Yulia, are you here? I don't see her. The Purge, something like 3D action. Now I'll show you a small demo of development build I installed here on laptop. Just a second. So you can see a game may have tutorial, it should have tutorial. It is easy to create it. You just write a configuration of scenario, what a robot should do. I will collect the stuff. I will unlock this. And I completed tutorial. So I will go to other location now. Open the box, collect a door handle. Now I'll open the door. And we can combine items here. For example, I'll pick a flashlight. You can see its info. I'll pick a battery. After combination, I have a new item. So just small features. Also, game can have some sort of mini games. What is it? Minigame is an external plugin that can be connected to engine. It can contain absolutely any functionality. For example, this game you need to rotate this these circles and get correct code. So it is out of functionality of the engine. This is external plugin, one class of code that is connected, integrated to engine. So in development build, we have this cool console, for example, for testing purposes, manual testing purposes. For example, I want to complete this mini game, but I don't know how. I don't want to. Fuck. Sorry. Where's slash? Yes. I can run command. Run command. There, I can't see what I'm writing. So presentation is becoming boring. Yeah, we have also autocomplete. And minigame is completed. So console supports a lot of commands. These are real in-game commands. They shouldn't be created separately. So during compilation, okay, for example, user is stuck somewhere in the game during play. It has hints, but I don't have money. But I have console. Oops, wrong. Okay, now I have 100 coins, and I can buy a hint. And robot, this is not video, this is just in, robot show you what to do next. He advises you to collect plunger. This is my favorite stuff in this level. Okay, then you go, you collect this plunger. I don't know what to do next. You may ask, why not to go to YouTube and watch video? I don't know, people buy this stuff. Okay. So let's return to presentation. What are our future plans? Our plans, which are already in roadmap, is to release a standalone application of this escape engine with a nice graphics user interface, with a comfortable user interface, and give opportunity for small teams and indies to create games completely on their side. So, of course, we will continue support our current projects at new levels, and we would like to have more new projects. That's why I'm here, new people, meet new people, new teams that are interested in this stuff. And as I already told, we would like to have this standalone editor. So that's, I think, all. And I think maybe you have questions.
Does anybody have questions? We have a mic here. Yes. So I'm sorry, he was first. You're second.
Hi. Thanks for the presentation. I was wondering, I still didn't understood. Is the engine built above Unity or it's totally separate?
No. Currently, it uses my favorite, Adobe Flash. Flash not that. It's built using Adobe Air, but it's written above my own framework, open source framework, which one day, if Flash will die on mobile, but I don't think it will be even in next 5 years, because Adobe Air often release updates. But in this case, I will migrate to Haxia. Do you know Haxia?
Yes.
So we will have possibilities to move it to Haxia. I like Haxia.
So you still keep your name, Crazy Flasher?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I will die with it.
Okay, and second question?
Hello, thank
Hi.
you for the presentation. I would like to, what's the default size of the build that you deploy for Android, like base?
You mean empty size of empty
Yeah,
project?
yeah.
Approximately 8 megabytes.
8 megabytes, okay. And if you create, let's say, for one of the samples that are already in development, an average size that you have?
Average size of one level, you mean?
Yeah.
5 and can be larger.
Okay.
5, the big level can be approximately 10 megabytes. So the biggest level of Spotlight, yes, is almost 10 megabytes.
Okay.
Yes, can you pass it there?
I was interested in what platforms does your engine support?
Currently, it builds for Android, iOS, web, until Flash is not there on web, and desktop.
Thank you.
Any more questions? I have a question. So you also publish these games yourself?
Yes, yes.
So what is the numbers that you're looking for? You said that you first do like a launch of one level. So when is that game successful to you? Like what is it that you're looking for there?
For example, a couple of months ago, we published this Abandoned Mine, and currently, 1.5 months ago, it would be better if Sergey tell the numbers. I think 200,000 installs for 1.5 months. So if game is cool, it is enough, I think. Then organic users will come to it. If the game is bad, then there will be no retention, no organic users, and there is no need to support it anymore, need to create something new.
Mm-hmm. Any other questions from the audience? So it's exactly 12, so you were right on time with all the questions and everything. So let's give a big hand. Thank you so much for
Yeah,
coming
and come
over.
up to me and we can talk about technical part.